Hi friends, and I'm really excited to get a New Year's gift. DJI Mavic Mini. It's a mini drone. So come with me and let's fly it together.
This is my first flight. Since I'm an amateur, I cannot fly it well, but after practicing for quite many times, I think so I will be able to fly this drone easily. So now, I'm going to show you the unboxing of DJI Mavic Mini. But before that, if you like my videos, my content, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and make sure to press the bell icon to get all the notifications about my videos.
Hi guys, I'm Zoya, and today I'm going to unbox DJI Mavic Mini. I bought it offline from Kolkata. It is also available in Amazon, but it's slightly expensive from this one. It is an everyday fly cam and a fly mode combo. It comes in this box, and inside this box we are having this case which contains this drone, the remote control, and along with this it has propeller guards, battery charger, and these 3 batteries. For these 3 batteries, it is a fly mode combo. It is also ultra light. It is lighter than 250 grams. It's 249 and it has been already mentioned over here. So you really do not need any sort of license to fly this. So let's start unboxing. So we are opening the box. These are the first inside. Slowly taking all of this. This is the case which has been already shown. Let's open this case and let's see what's inside this. This is the drone. There are the propellers, is the gimbal, and over here are the propellers too. This is the remote control. Pretty impressive. This is the remote control. It has a lot of features over here, like these are the joystick buttons. So the joystick is separately over here. So this is the remote control.
Next, what is it?
So let's see what is there next. These are the extra propellers over here. There are 2 sets of it. Let me keep it inside. This is the battery charger where we all keep the batteries over here. Let's see what's inside. These are all the cables. And here is a joystick where we can put it over here. So let's discover what's in this box. Oh, this contains the manuals. Skip it in. This is quite hard. So here are the batteries, the 3 batteries. We can keep it inside and in this charging box. Okay. And here is the charger which we can connect using it. So I've done all the unboxing. Let's open these packets. So this is what we got in the box. A remote control, 3 cables for connecting the remote control with the mobile phone. For connecting this, I will show you it later. This is the mini drone, the battery charger, the 3 cables, charger head, propeller guards, and some extra propellers, screwdriver, and extra pair of joysticks. So I'm going to show you the remote control. So this is the remote control. So there are different buttons over here. To start, we need to press this button. At first we have to hold it for a shorter period of time. As soon as we get the blinking lights, we have to press it for longer to pair it up with this drone. So here we have the 2 antennas. At first we need to unfold these antennas, and then we have to open the device clamp, mobile device clamp, so that we can hold the mobile phones over here. It's quite tight. Here we can get 2 joysticks. We need to fit this over here. So this is how it looks with a mobile phone over here. Now I'm showing it without a mobile phone because I don't have any near me. So this is the record button and this is the quick shot button. And this helps, and this is the gimbal this is for the movement of gimbal. There's a home button too over here, and also there are different controls of it. The left one shows us to move the drone up or down and rotate the drone, and the right one helps in the direction, like we can move it forward, backward, left or right, any of the either sides. This is the battery charger. Each of them here we can get 3 batteries, and each of the battery has a life for 30 minutes. So it's a very good quality, and we can fly it for a long time, almost like 90 minutes if we have a combo for this. We can open it like this. There's a clamp over here which we can use to open it. This is how the battery looks. So I'm putting this in. Okay, so there it goes. SD card. So we need to put it inside the drone. To open the drone's battery door. So we put in the battery over here. We put it in and then we shut it. I did. It's closed. So first, if we need to start with it, we need to open its wings. So we need to unfold the upper wings, then the lower wings. We will learn how to switch on the drone. At first, we have to press this for a short time. As soon as we see the blinking lights, we have to press it for longer. It is all on. We can see the gimbal rotating. It looks like Wall-E.
This is a still picture taken by the drone in Chalsa Tea Estate in North Bengal.